Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and use typing on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to. Okay, at first you need to install these apps. I'm already installed this. Go back and open your settings. Scroll down, click on to accessibility. Then showing it to installed apps. Click on select to speak. Make sure to turn on. Okay. Press on hello. Now it's hello. Setting. So look here, now showing it to this. Click on, showing it to settings and showing it to more settings. If we want to change language, change voice, okay, display.
This is an
to
example
check.
of speech synthesis in English.
Okay. So go back, and now I'm use this. Click on to play.
Add a sports shortcut to your home screen. Add. No thanks. Latest. Scores. Standings. 7 Argentina captains for their clubs in Argentina national team.
Then you can enjoy this feature.